I said to Debbie, I thought that was it.
I thought you were what?
I'm at home. Right, after Cabham. N3. Oh, yeah. Right, and then any
Intense
ceiling.
map reading.
Yeah, so you'll be alright with that. That's the road, it's the A509 after the N3.
That's after Cabin, is it? Right?
Yeah, after Cabham there, look. You'll know that, won't you? Look, there's the road number. Do you know how to navigate? Yes or no? Look, do you know how to read a map?
Yes or no?
Christ, she sat in the front and she didn't know how to read a map.
But it's better than me.
That's
I can barely
road.
read generally.
The green one means it's a main road, the blue one is a... Look! That's a brown road, but it's got a number. Look, after the N3. This is important. Look, the A5... Look, Amy!
A1A Beachfront Avenue.
Yeah, A1A Beachfront Avenue. It's the A509.
We're still only here.
Well, no, but I'm telling you in preparation. Anyway, should we get going?
Okay.
Right, I'll just have another.
Oh yes, please do. Well, a Masso one in a minute, please. How does that go?
Yes or no for the next 6 months.
Here we go, go on. What the fuck? Don't you getting me excited? Julie, what is it?
Is it?
Oh. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yeah, the front view is awful. Oh. Bit disappointing. Come on, love.
Not big enough.
Mwah. It wasn't the big one, was it? You've got crumbs. I've got sweet corn everywhere.
I may have coleslaw down my
Nice. Mm.
Okay, should we get going? I've got a donut.
Lovely. So I bet the boys will wish they were in our car.
Yeah.
Burping, farting.
What?
I know.
I thought she said
What? What do you think she says?
Jesus.
Jesus wept. Oh, yesterday he went down the wrong road. Jesus wept. Oh no, you're reversing up the wrong road. And that car came up behind you. And you were like, Jesus wept. Oh, fucking hell. Oh dear. See, this is why we have so much fun on tour. It's all about the road trips. What's that, Julie, you're eating? What is it? What is that you're eating?
It's a donut.
It's quite fit, actually. Right, are we leaving it there?
Yeah.
Okay. Say goodbye. Bye. Point and wave. Amy, point and wave. Point and wave. Goodbye.
Okay.